Hello world, Brian here from Digidoo, and in this video I'm going to answer the very popular question of how do I build a website? Well, in this industry we have web design, web development and WYSIWYG platforms. Which route you're going to take depends entirely on what you would like to make. We'll start with web design, which is all about creating the look and feel of a site. There are three essential languages that you need to learn to become a web designer. These are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The vast majority of everything that's delivered to you on the web is done using those three languages. Now some of you might have heard of Bootstrap or Node or D3. Well, these are libraries and frameworks, and they're all built on top of those three languages. Now, if web design is all about the look and feel of a site, web development is all about the functionality. HTML, CSS and JS, they all load up in the browser, known as the front end. For languages like PHP, Perl and Ruby, we need a web server, known as the back end. There, we can write functions to deliver dynamic content, and also make use of stuff like databases. So some of you might be wondering about WordPress or Joomla or Drupal. Well, these are CMSs, content management systems. These can be used as is to display content using the available settings. But if you know HTML, CSS and JS, well then, you can display the content any way that you like. If you know PHP and a bit about databases, you can change the dynamic content to be loaded onto the site. If you know all of those languages, you have then become a full stack web developer, and you can build any web project you like. You are only limited by time and imagination. So for anyone looking to become a web designer, a web developer or full stack developer, the normal progression is as follows. You would start with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and then progress on to PHP and MySQL. Now, if you're looking to just build a website for your business, shop or service, then you might be looking for a WYSIWYG creator, a what you see is what you get platform. With these, you've got like a drag and drop creator that you can use to build a website without having to touch any computer code. So how does Digidoo work? Well, we have WordPress as the foundation. Every page on Digidoo is actually made up of all different parts, and these are all coded using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The content is dynamically loaded from MySQL database, and we use PHP to slot it all together. Now, I would love to hear what you would like to learn, so take part in our poll or even add your own suggestions in the comments below. I hope to see you at some of my future courses here at Digidoo.